Are you ready to transform your living or working space into a masterpiece of design and sophistication? Look no further than WD Group Interiors, your ultimate solution for breathtaking ceiling designs and installations in Ghana and beyond. At WD Group, we understand that luxurious ceilings installations are more than just a structure component. Our Elegance series offers a world of possibilities to transform your dream into reality. Whether you're looking for a classic look, a modern touch, or unparalleled sophistication, our company has you at heart, and we will deliver. Choose from an array of intricate patterns, from timeless geometric designs to captivating floral patterns. The best part of our business is our designs are completely customized and tailored to fit your budget, vision, and needs. Elevate your space with WD Group Interiors, where imagination meets reality. Contact us today on 057 975 455 for consultation. Let WD Group turn your ceilings and home interiors into a world of art.
Oh, young for back up and the street inside my bemu. I dey live my life because you say me true. Say yenya me pa. Bibi abe ye ma comment too. They say me to be bad boy, so nyamine ni ma comment mu. Yani basem, oh yani basem die ya. Yani basem maji nyame mkwa. Yani basem, oh yani basem die ya. Yani basem.
I enjoy.
You did.
Why not?
I'm kind of tired, you know.
Why are you being so lazy today, yeah?
I don't know. It's like I'm always the one, you know, on top.
No, you just
change
love.
your
No,
thing.
you just love being on top, yeah.
Maybe you can.
No, you know I love your ass. I like spanking your ass, innit?
So.
You know I just want to spank your ass, yeah.
Whatever. You're so dramatic. I'm just tired today. It's enough for today.
I told you not to eat sweet, yeah?
It's okay. What?
I just love your sense of humor. This what is killing me. No.
It's okay, babe.
No.
It's fine. You're such a big baby.
I love you.
I love you more.
Yani basem, oh yani basem die ya. Yani basem maji nyame mkwa.
Ne hono da egusi yashi.
Kwa na ekoso.
Enye titi numi bi na ne posa fama ne. Ah?
Na sani ne onuma wojo no. Sa im kwa bi se fever mpo na aya no. Oh. Wa ma wojo sa.
Boy. Wan be da o ka bia be no. Wan kwa ifa be bia.
So what you me wa ko kan hwe. Be me bia amfre wo.
Tinzo o ka bia na atia kam na am se gisim. E na ko fa we na ba.
O de jide be si mo. Unu ya ba ya na se gisim. O so kan hwe.
Ene ma jesi uzo. Be.
Neru ke bit ma body ade say. Ade ya le na about ade le kosoro say ye ndey. Say me dey go hospital. O chira kwara.
Me si say medical pro hospital say mbema. Chese bia de ne health insurance na no say na no ya duma.
Na say wu ye me kan say ade wo ma insurance hu die wu. Ma me renew insurance ko hu ni bi.
O de na da hen da yi.
Ebe na she ayi so odo pro so.
Ene ye say no de ni go kwa mi na say bia o chira no panso a. Ko mi dru kuruma ba.
Uko pa bosi abre me ra so du
Bosi abre na ya ko hospital ye hu ka be bo ma me. Afa na mi ko kuruma mi nu kuruma bi mu se bia be ya kakra bi dia ba. Ah, ma me na office na besi abo fiti a wudro na ye ma besi ana.
Oye me ya 160 bi ko ekuta.
Me ba mi free kurum na de na menyeska. Right, we ma me komra.
No share fa ni ko bi. No ya na ye she. Awon she jina so sa.
Tuzo hu ne so betimi age e na afro ma.
Me ye agency hu de be na afro. Hu ne ba ni ana si bi afro. The Kulan Panka, who told you one number we
like a wall.
Chilling, Nakan.
Yeah, maybe. Right. What did he? What did he? I don't know you. I'm into a fancy, Mamma Hungry little. Only you can make
you can't me happy. You don't know how to sing, I'm being honest.
Only you can make me.
It's a no-go, like.
Only you can.
Oh yeah. Sis, I'm good. Yourself?
I'm okay, just tired and stressed out. God.
That's my sister.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. This is my boyfriend.
Yeah.
Sorry I didn't introduce him, but you're always not here, so you know.
I'm Flyboy Stunna, yeah?
Sorry?
I'm Flyboy Stunna, yeah? Okay, the London boy.
Okay, I think I would just...
Don't leave you want to wait and
No, I'm good. I would just leave you to have your time.
Okay.
She's just having a bad day.
She doesn't like me, yeah?
No, she likes you. She's just having a bad day.
No, we just met for the first time and look at her attitude. No, listen, babes. Oh. Babes, I feel I'm not welcome here, so...
You just met her.
Yeah,
that doesn't mean anything.
But they will see a chairman, you know.
Well, pray like a big crowd, very well, so just cool down.
Are you sure?
She's just tired. I know how my sister is.
Please try and just talk to her.
Don't be worried, okay?
I love you.
Everything's fine. I love you.
I know, I don't want to lose you. Okay, I'm not feeling comfortable. Why don't we go inside and we continue there because...
Let's stay here.
No,
my
please,
sister is around
let's...
at least, so let's just stay here and chill, okay?
Yani basem, oh yani basem die ya. Yani basem maju nyame nkwa. Yani basem, oh yani basem die ya. Yani basem maju nyame nkwa. Ahamiti sadia
Stunna ana otwa usu no. Eno antiase umi ye dey fa. Ha? Yade na nipa ne yade ene nyina ye present nipa no beto no. Enso soli bia no betre fie na wuti ni su na wuni su no. Wuni su so yade ana.
Sister na yare na atia.
Eh. Da bia mi pie bia na me ba bia ni se automatically me ba na atia na wusu. Eno so eno yade no. That be the other empire, but also Nipa Bonyosu, you see what he has to say.
So, your mammy penny.
Oh,
baby, I've grown up. Any fancy wusu. Huh? One hour was a watch a chill or mocrabre. But wusu sana, I know as we are man your magic.
Mrs. Ye na wo ya na se oba no o twen se oba no beto no ah ma o de mami se ye na wo ye de ne ne nyina no ya shetuntum ne ne nyina edusu ne bia tia
sasa
da na wo ya se ne se
da bia ni kwa so kasasa
opoku de wo ntia si ntra
mami ni dia wo na wo wo na wo ba ya de ya ah
oh Kyekyeku akra na wo de akra bere ne fusu a wose woda se wa mai woda sa ade a che na afro wo de se dua na mu matinka me na me na mu no wonni susu ampa se wo papa aje se godi ebusia o aje se bodi esuamo muni aje binom na so me tuma ni hwe begum tuma ni hwe difa so mufo na hoy eti ahochire ni ohia e ba be ba hwe be ba ye
mami
sese wu be ma ba ko pa mi ni mu se e ka wasu papa nan wonko woma wonchia umu da ka mi so ba ko de be pusia pesika wo ba ko aka ba so ko be to ko aka ba ye de bra ko aka be di sasa ati dey
mami o nti ase
ka fa wodi pa bia wei eko a wo chire na ke fa wodi na be be fa eti a wo je di ni ba we baba
wana se menko busa mi yonku se menko
awo su sa na
onim ko me ko abonten ana no pra me pro abonten se menye sika e dia be we nua ba no o mi pia wonni machintin wonni bra me bra abonten o wo de wo ba wo ana se de wo me be fia de ohure no a wonni bra me bra abonten busa oh nene no kwa wo twentwe enene adwuma no aye nua ne abusua so ko adwuma na se wo nua ni ma yemfa wo oh me pa me nya bi
na office ko adwuma na ya adwuma adwuma ko ji kubeto wanti ede ye
wana se ko office kubeto no asem na meka eno kubeto ne e fe ne sa insuo to nyina ye nua wabusua ni ma
bi uma me asem wo kan na no kure o so wo dwene ho yi de o ma me ka sisi
ya opoku woni me na ntimi mpa adwuma
me ya wo so adwuma ba de o ma me oh sisi no ma no
na asiye do asiye no boafo wo yi
Mommy who soon saw na me nyina ereho. Oh, se wo ba ye me yonko de ba se mafa se me ma me preocupe. O de me chi.
Wo re hon kwa de se wo nye busuani ye na ye ka re kwa ye na.
Se busuani ni e de ni nyina se ma ba ye busuani preocupe. Ana. Oh. Na ko pon obo ni wi aso na ti de o ya ase. Mommy e ma re hon. Oh. Bibia be fine. Fine.
Awo chire nye o. Awo chire nye de.
Awo chire de ne de mo. Nede we say am betu se wusu se me kwa me ntimi na oh aba sa me kwa me so me rebe ho sa asim
untimi na se de krono to so ya de na to so
de bi ma betu se madam fo ma me su
no no jeje wana wo yende
niti madam fo ma me su no yanko da no da o
opoku ana sa wusu ba bi no ne bi se ntira me mpeno cheche da wo ko fia untimi na no obi agi wani aboso na ya de
intimi ba na wo ma me su no intimi ko na ka makoto party
wo su bo ha su na he nya fe na de ko udi ko fie
oh we me ko de be ba me da yem sa obo se ama me ra ho sa
wa jana ba
awo shedin why shedin bibia be fine
se me hia mo o me hia sika
enye se ye o se wo to na nua ba yale o de ma me ne ka se ko pa adwuma na wo so na no no ah te bi wo ye panyin o odi aweho na ye o fa na
sika na o mo pe no enye kubeton sika o enye nsuo ton sika o almost be 500 million. Say sika mkofa na he.
Nti ku ntimi nya adwuma enko pay 500 million. 500
million me mkofa adwuma me chem ka 500 million.
Adwuma bu titeku. Nti utimi nya referee kra. Te bi kra linesman. Omo me linesman nti utimi nya linesman.
Ayi omo
offside no imagine utimi na bi.
Yes no gira park na so bokwem omo say na me gina kire.
Nti omo ka kasimum.
Opoku ye bibia na wo ka asem bi adwen ho. Nye se bia me ma me su na se bia me nua ba na ya de me fe bet. Me ankasa me nua ba ya de medwuma me ntiase. Buku ma dwenwa me dwia chesensi so
ma me yonko no afutu de na wo ma me ka no se bi o nyansa wom o ti ase ma me ne de yawo ne awo na ekasa nti e ko ya ma me ne to na wo su na ye wo fa na ha
to puku mi no na me musa adwuma
wo busa adwuma de bat
ha
ya se mu
kan hu se ba bia me mabusua mu no ana ba bia me ma bra bo aduru sisi ye no abusua mu no obi nko bi ma wo na se kese sika nke abusuafo no se ketua
na se
wo bia wo fa bia me fa se bia wanya ne hu bi mesuwa bia wanya ne hu bi na bia
wo mu nyina mobla
ohu
ofa ko talazi wo de ayensa
obia wo mu nyina obie no otimbo obra ohu asa me no wo no asa ye wo the same level of family
me de abusuafo de sika wo mu kakra
wo abusu sika wo abusu
kakra na
wo abusu ho na ewo ma wo sika na se
abusuam
why
no of adwuma on taxi
na taxi so obi taxi kra no twi
na se bi
wo yare ana
ade
wo fa twi obi taxi no ka se wo enti se ko ma wo fa kwa na ye wo busuam na se na me de ne ye
mtirupo wo de ne ye
ana wo fa twi taxi no ye ya me
na wo fa ni bi me wo fa wo ni da no so ko tala ne ko nse ni afi no wakai
na se wo de ne ye
sana tie enti no je ne pa adwuma ye suku je ne pa adwuma ye se mi ma ne adwuma kura me no me wo fa no me anya me ko be ma me 5 cd bi a hyem ana 10 cd bi a hyem
obi ka so obetimi age
obeji se
so obi ka o timi ntwi
na so oje aye de obenya bi se wo driver no ko okuta no no ane lances
ne ngani obenya bi
sanity Nti wo sister ne pan ye yale be pan.
Enu na me se me ntwu. Me na me nchase ye opoku.
Na oba be se timi yale a utimi ye fun hwe ni ye. Ni timi bosika ayiza.
Wo hospital nso a ensema doctor ne be ka na ehunahuna bia. Doctor ne be na ai man fasika na ma yade ni nyini wani mu. Ene yade ni didi ni mu.
Eye ni kidney ana.
Ntimi hu nso doctor nso gipe ka efe. At least wo de o mamma mbesia 10 million 20 million o de mo fa nto ase na me operation no. Se bibia wie pe ya na fi mu de ka be so so.
Ete ku nye busuani sa na de ono onweno hu.
Se mama
papa dundum adwuma ne de o so pe bi pa tete ku.
Bia san kasa wo fa damfo so pe mu.
Sese
ka se mi se ye hwe mu ka damfo kwa damfo achi a ka damfo busua betimi aboa betimi me yonko na me nnam no.
Ate ku ase wo ya nyame kaseti abi se.
Na de adure 90 ade me ka entro na mitwa. Eba critical mi nya bi nka wo ya damfo ka de tuhu si wo ma me mpema busuam na me nkome busuam
na me mpema ya wo ma me da ho nya na me su bi bo awo adamfo be na chen me de
dem na usu tuaka.
How well do you know this guy?
My boyfriend. I know him very good. Why you
How good?
Very good, like very good. Why do you want to know? Why are you asking?
I don't know, I have this crazy feeling about him. I don't trust him.
Why? What did he do?
Nothing. I just met him, but I don't like him. I don't trust him. He looks so suspicious for my liking. Extremely suspicious.
Your energy, you're being a bit dramatic. You know you're very dramatic, so.
There's nothing like being dramatic when the connection is not there, when the vibe is not around, when you feel somebody is not a good person. You've never felt like that before? I don't know, I just met him and I felt like...
He's a good guy, so I don't really know what's going on. Like, maybe you're just confused, you know, you need to get to know him more and then we can continue from there, you know. Try talking to him more, you know what I'm saying?
He looks too shady for me, trust me. He looks very shady.
You are gonna like him, I promise. Okay.
I'm just gonna tell you.
Don't be worried. I'm grown. I'm not a baby no more. Chill. You gotta chill. He's a good guy, I promise. Okay?
Sorry, grown lady. I'm actually just watching out for my kid sister. I don't want you to wake up one morning telling me, sis, he broke my heart. Sis, I can't do it.
He won't, and I'm not 16 no more, so I know what's best for me, you know what I'm saying? So.
Sorry for intervening in your privacy. You feel me? I'm just gonna tell you to be very careful. I don't want no stories. I don't know what complaints. I want nothing. As long as it's good for you, we're good.
Alright, promise. Promise we're good.
You're good?
I'm good.
No complaints?
No complaints.
Okay.